Hi everyone, in this video we still talk about how to simplify some sorts in the roots problems. Look at this one, it's really hairy. There are huge numbers in the fractions. But don't be scared, let's have a try. Maybe we can learn something from this process. First, we still want to make this whole inside a perfect square. So write down the perfect square formula. A plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Compare this part with the terms inside the square roots. We can deduce that this part corresponds to a squared or b squared. Why not 2ab or ab? Because if so, this part is a times b. That means A had 2023 in the denominator place, and B also had 2023 in the denominator place. And the other case is A or B had 2023 squared in the denominator place. This squared is a fraction. And this squared is also a fraction. So there are 1, 2, 3 fractions inside the square root. That doesn't match. And for this case, this squared is also a fraction. So in this case, at least 1, 2 fractions inside the square root. It doesn't match either, so let's wipe them out. So because 2022 squared over 2023 squared corresponds to a squared. So 2022 over 2023 corresponds to a. And because there's no other fractions inside the square root, so a times b is the integer. And that means b had 2023 as a factor. So let's see if these two terms can get something related to 2023. Let's try it. 1 plus 2022 squared is equal to 1 squared plus 2022 squared. That is 1 plus 2022 whole squared minus 2 times 1 times 2022. This is 2023 squared minus 2 times 2023 and 2000 over 2023 times 2022. Why we rewrite 1 as this part? Because for such way we can get A and B. This is the A and this is the B. So let's solve the problem from the beginning. That is the square root of 1 plus 2022 whole squared minus 2 times 1 times 2022 plus 2022 squared over 2023 squared minus 1 over 2023. That is the square root of 2023 squared minus 2 times 2023 over 2023 times 2022 minus plus 2022 squared over 2023 squared minus 2001 over 2023. That is the square root of 2023 minus 2022 over 2023 whole squared minus 1 over 2023. That is 2023 minus 2022 over 2023 minus 1 over 2023. This is 1, so 2023 minus 1 is 2022. This is the final answer.